And welcome to another video from Justeliving Naturals. I am Shireen St. Just, the founder and owner of Justeliving Naturals. So today is Sunday and it is my wash day. A lot of people ask what do I use in my hair, and most of the things that I use are my products, and then there are these DIYs that I play around with because they are easy stuff that you find in your house and they're really good for your hair, very beneficial. So today I am going to make a avocado, banana, and aloe vera hair mask. What I have right now is some aloe vera. I've already taken a piece off. And this is some olive oil. You have a nice ripe avocado and a very overripe banana. We also have some apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. The utensils that I will be using is a strainer, a bowl, a knife, and a blender. So the first thing is to separate the piece of avocado that you want to use. So what I do is I take a piece off, about this should be good. I put that piece aside and then I cut the sides off, those prickly ridges. Let me put this here. And then I turn my piece of aloe vera to the side and I cut it down the middle. And I do this so that I can get all the good stuff out. Next, what I'll be doing is taking out the inside, which is where the gel is. That's the good stuff. So on wash day, I like to do a mask on every wash day. It's not always the same mask. I find that my hair, once it gets used to something, it's just doesn't work quite the same. So I like to mix it up. Still all beneficial, still all have goodies in it, but it gives my hair something different, a little something different each time. So today's hair mask is, as I mentioned, the aloe vera, avocado, and banana hair mask. When I do my wash day again, which is usually every Sunday. Sometimes I do it twice a week, but more regularly it's once a week because I just have such a busy life. So sometimes I'll do my bentonite clay mask, which you can find on my website at www.justelivingnaturals.com, or I do this. Sometimes I also do you can use yogurt or sour cream. I like to use sour cream and honey to give my hair a little extra boost. But there's different things that you can do. Whatever, I like to use whatever I have in my pantry or in my fridge, or whatever is handy to give my hair a nice boost. Now you can change around the ingredients as much as you want. You can use whatever oils you have. It could be grapeseed oil, avocado oil, or just one of those beneficial oils. Okay, so now after I have cut up the aloe vera, I will then be putting it in my blender. Make sure I get all the good stuff out. And I will be blending this. Okay, so I will be right back after I have blended the aloe vera. we are back, and I wanted to show you what the aloe vera looks blended. It is like a frothy, watery consistency, and the reason why I blended the aloe vera is because I wanted to strain it to get out all the bits, so that won't be left back in my hair. Because sometimes when I use the aloe vera just in pieces, it sometimes leaves a little bits in my hair, and I don't like that because it's tough to comb out. So I will now strain the aloe vera. And voila. Okay, so I've rinsed the blender out, and now I'm adding the strained aloe vera. I'm also adding the apple cider vinegar, the olive oil. I'm taking my knife, cutting. So you can either add half of an avocado or a whole avocado. A half is good for me. It depends on just how you know, the shape your hair is in. So here's a half avocado, and I use a half a banana as well. Okay, and we are going to blend this. We are back, and this is what the aloe vera and banana and an avocado looks like. Let's see. Sometimes, depending on how old your banana or your avocado is, actually, it might leave little black spots in there. So what I like to do is then go ahead and strain it out. Because the worst thing you can have is little chunks of this stuff in your hair. But let me tell you, this smells like a nice, delicious smoothie. I'm not lying. You cannot even smell the apple cider vinegar. It smells yummy, yummy, yummy. I should have probably grabbed a spatula. But it's okay. It's all going in my hair. This is not to be eaten. And it's not for sale. I do not do this for sale. Okay. So we're going to strain. And you see there's not much pieces there. What do you have left? Is this, it's not very liquidy, but it's also not thick. So here's the consistency. You can see right there. That's the consistency. So this is my hair mask. You might be thinking that's a lot. I have a lot of hair. So for me, a lot of times I have to be scraping the bowl just to get enough to finish all this hair. But this does my entire head, and it doesn't leave anything back. So join me for my next video where I will show you how to apply this hair mask. Make sure that when you're blending, I do want to leave some helpful tips. Make sure that when you're blending, you get all of the pieces out. Sometimes you may need to use like something to get all the aloe vera in and blend it well. And as I said, strain it because you don't want to leave any bits in your hair. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will be following up with how I apply this mask to my hair. Thanks so much. See you soon.